In this lecture, I will tell you about icons of GUI. A GUI operating system provides us a user-friendly interface, which means it allows easy interaction. User can easily interact with the system using windows, icons, menus, and pointer. Icon is a small graphical representation of file, folder, application, or any hardware device. These are the most commonly used icons which are kept on the desktop. All icons have a small picture on the top of it, and a name is written below it. Starting from the recycle bin, it is a temporary folder. It keeps the deleted files from the hard disk. When anything is deleted from the hard disk, it will go in the recycle bin. Like if I am deleting this file, as you can see is the option of delete. If I am deleting this, it is disappeared and it will now go in the recycle bin. And user can also restore the file to its original location. Just right click on it and click on the restore, or the user can also delete it permanently by just clicking on the delete option. It will be permanently deleted from the hard disk. Now see, the recycle bin is now empty. And if user want to delete a file permanently without sending it to the recycle bin, just press the shift plus delete key. This will be permanently deleted. Now it will not go in the recycle bin, as you can see. Folder is used to store data in an organized way. A folder can contain subfolders inside it. The folders which are stored inside the folders are known as subfolders. These are used to store the data in an organized way on your hard disk so that it can be easily accessed next time. In graphical user interface, files are also represented by the icons. A file may contain text, image, music, or videos. User can recognize the file by the icon. A Word file is shown in this figure. As you can see, this is a Word file. Executable programs are also represented by the help of icons. Now this is a setup of Avast antivirus, and this is the icon of it. By clicking on it, a setup will run. Shortcut icons are created to access anything easily. Shortcut icons have this arrow on the bottom corner of it. By clicking on it, you can easily access this information without going to the internet and typing the URL. Now just by clicking on it, it will redirect to this page in a shortcut way. Managing data means storing files, folders on a hard disk and in an organized way so that it can be accessed easily. This document folder is the default folder where user can save the data. Following are the steps to create a new folder. Go to the place or the location where you want to create a folder. Right click on an empty area like this, and there will be an option of new, and then click on the folder. A new folder will appear. You will have to type the name on it, like I have written a new, and then press enter. See, the folder is created now. Now these are the steps to copy or move something from source to destination. Like I am going to copy this. Just right click on this, and there will be an option of cut or copy. If you want to keep the file on both location, then you have to select the option of copy, and if you want to remove this file from the source location, then you have to select the option of cut. I'm using the option of cut, and now go to the desktop, the place where you want to paste it or move it. Right click on the empty area, and there will be option of paste. See, this is how a file or anything can be moved from one place to another. Now these are the steps to select group of multiple files and folders. If you want to select a non-consecutive selection, you want to select randomly, then hold the control key and then start clicking on the files you want to select. See, I have selected randomly files. And if you want to select all the files, just with the help of mouse pointer, you can make it like this. You have to drag it, okay, by the help of your mouse pointer. And if you want to select all the files inside a folder, you can also use the shortcut key. You have to use the Control plus A button. See, all the files inside the folders are selected now. If you want to make your device operational, you have to install operating system on your device. So in this portion, I am going to tell you the steps which are going to be performed while the installation of Windows 10. Number one, you have to insert the CD in the CD-ROM and restart your computer and boot your CD. This is the first screen that will appear where you have to set the language, time, currency and input method. Then there will be option of install now. Then it will take some time. Then you have to insert the product key which will be provided by the CD manufacturer. Then there will be a license agreement. You will have to click on this license agreement. You will have to accept, and then you have to click on this next button. Then you have to select the type of installation. Here you have to select the custom installation, that is used at home or offices. Then you have to do the partitioning of your hard disk, where you want to install your operating system, in which drive you want to install your operating system. You have to select that partition of your hard disk. Then again it will take some time. After selecting the device where you want to install your operating system, then you will have to select the operating system. Here we are going to select the Windows 10 operating system. Again it will take some time. You will have to insert the product key. Again you have to use the express setting by giving it more time. Then you will have to create the account. You will have to write the name. The password is optional. If you want to write the password or not, you want to set the password or not, it's up to you. Then again it will take some time, and then your desktop screen will appear. It's mean that your Windows is installed successfully.